Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've actually partnered with KeraCare to bring you guys hair tutorials inspired by different events in your life. I actually am inspired by two different things. Today, I saw the look that Rihanna wore to the Ocean's 8 premiere, and I loved the little top knot that she had, so I wanted to recreate both the makeup look and the hair look, as well as I'm going to be wearing this same hairstyle to a baseball game this Sunday. And so yeah, I wanted to practice today. So because you're seeing this, that means it turned out wonderful. I'm going to do the natural hair version, so I'm not going to straighten my hair or put any heat on it or anything like that, because I want my top knot to sit pretty far up. I'm going to just kind of get the placement. Whew, my arms are tired. So I'm going to take the KeraCare Natural Textures Hair Milk, and I'm going to add a lot of this to my edges so that when I brush my hair, I won't be brushing it on dry hair. I'm gonna add it all around. And then with this brush that's been in our household since I know I was like a baby, this brush gets the sleekest ponytails. So I just came up with an idea on how I'm gonna get this how I want it, because I'm just trying stuff out, you know. So I'm going to do like a layer. So the very center of my head, I'm going to create a ponytail using a small amount of hair and get this really tight. And now I'm going to do another layer. So just going right outside of that first ponytail. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more of the hair milk, because this stuff is actually making my hair soft on the outside. So we're gonna apply one more layer of this and then go in with the brush. I'm just gonna use the KeraCare essential oils. Love it. It has a lot of oils, and I peeped out it has argan oil in it, so I'm excited about that. I'm gonna add just a little bit of this oil to my puff so that it's shiny and not dry or anything. I'm just gonna start twisting it. I'm gonna take a section, twist it around the ponytail, add a bobby pin to secure it. And then add some more bobby pins to just make it a bit more sleeker. So this is the completed hair look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you decide to try out this top knot natural style in the comments down below. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and of course subscribe before you leave, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.